guys, today we are going to be opening these Play-Dohs. Let's start. It's super hard to open it, but let's keep trying. Oh wait, I found the opening. So we got some Play-Doh from Fun School. Check it out, it looks so good. So let us keep learning. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Now let us make some butterflies or flowers with all of these Play-Doh we got. Okay, first we should make a rose. Okay. For rose, we always need red color for its petals. So let us first make some. Let's first roll our bow and then flatten it. Now we have a very jiggly kind of thing. And then we will roll it like this, like this, like this, like this, and it a little bit gets the shape of a rose. Now we are going to get green color. Now we are going to make the stem and leaves of the rose. And also those tiny pinchy things, I don't know the name. Okay, let's first make the stem. The stem and the leaves are all green. Let us now roll it as we did it for not roll, make it into a wiggly jiggly line as we do it for the rose petals. But we will not flatten it, we'll just attach it to the rose. We'll attach it. Now we have a little kind of looking stem with a rose. Now we are going to make the leaves. Now we need just this much though. And then make it into half. Now it really looks like you ate something and you made it into a semicircle type but with no two sides, like a oval but with only. Now I'm done with one leaf. And I'm going to make the second leaf. Done with my second leaf. And now this is our rose. Now let's keep it on the side. Now let us make it. What would it be? Oh, a butterfly. Now first we can make a butterfly with any type of color we like. I am making the butterfly out of purple. First I'll make the wings of the butterfly. Ooh. Now first we'll make one. We'll roll this, roll, flatten it, and give a little shape. We are done with one wing, and now this is one wing, and the color is purple. Now let's make a second wing. Two petals. Two wings. I mistakenly. Now let's make our third wing. Now we are done. Now we are done with our third wing. It keeps falling from my hand. Now we have three wings, and all of them are purple. This is so fun, right? Now we are going to make our last one. And we're done with all our wings, all four wings that are all colored purple. Now we should take a different color and make the ball blue. Now we'll only take half the dough because we only have to make a small kind of. We don't have to make very big. So we'll just save it for later. Okay, let us make roll. I mean not roll. Like this. We made a wiggly jiggly line and then shape it from the top. And then after that we will put in our wings and our butterfly. Let's first attach these two wings and whoosh. We are done with our first wing. It's very down. Let's just attach it from a little behind and from sticking. It keeps falling. I don't know why. If you ever see something fall, just tell me. Now make one row. It's very funny that this butterfly has two big wings and two small wings. Now, let us make some small antennas. Let's just make it a little here. Here. And again it's falling down. It's not sticking. There's so much oil. And we're done with our butterfly. Our butterfly is going to eat a rose. Difficult to think. Should we make a garden? Yeah, let's make a garden with these dough. First we need some half green, dark green dough, and then we will swoosh and make all the flowers. We use this much for the grass. Let's just press. Then chomp it with my hand. I'll just like this. And we are done with a small garden. Now let us take some small amount of green from here and make some bushes. Whoosh! Lots of raccoons will come into our bushes. Let's just make it some balls and then mush them up. Mush them up. Another ball. Our bushes. Now lots of raccoons and rats are going to come and hide. Now let us make it some small flowers. Small tulips. Let's use it with some orange. Let's just make some small dots. That will look, it's like a little down, right? Let's make one dot here. One dot here. And one dot here. My bushes, I'll show you here. I have extended the garden. So now let's put in my little flower. And it's here. And now our butterfly is going to get some pollen from it. Yummy! That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Smash that like button and subscribe.